Okay, on this 2021 Mustang Bullitt, we've installed Autosparx Global Telemetrics Thatcham category S5 tracking system with immobilisation and Bluetooth driver ID. So when the system is armed, the vehicle won't start. To disarm the system, the Bluetooth driver card needs to be with the driver. If this card's not present, whether it be a stolen key or a cloned key, the car simply won't start. This card needs to be present to start the car. So you'll see if I push the start button, foot on the clutch, push the start button, you see we get no start. There we go, no start. That's because I've turned the card off for demonstration purposes. Now, if I turn the card on, it's quite simple. There's your card there, there's your two little charging pins there for charging the card up if you need to. On the back of the card there's an on-off button and clear instructions on how to turn the card on and how to turn the card off. So you can leave this card on all the time typically, keep it in your wallet. If I press the button there, one flash, so that card is now on, so that just stays on, that can stay in your wallet. It's a nice thin kind of credit card size card. So now push the ignition on as before, dashboard wakes up, foot on the clutch, press the button, car starts. There we go. So because the card was detected in range, it allowed the car to start. So as I said, if the key is stolen or the key is cloned, without this card the car won't start. The system also comes with an app for the driver to log in and see where the vehicle is, what it's doing, etc. A free app for Android and iOS platforms. Two cards with this system. It's very straightforward to use, as I've just demonstrated. There's a little charger that comes with it as well, a USB charger. So just here you see a little bulldog clip charger. So sorry a minute, there we go, hang on. So that goes into your USB socket, and these two little prongs in here, there you go, they simply clip over the connections on the card there, and that's how you charge the card up in the event of a flat card. As I said, these can stay on in your purse, your wallet, your handbag, whatever. They don't need to be switched off on a day-to-day basis. The spare one, ideal with your spare keys, leave it switched off just to save the battery. But yeah, general operation, as long as that's with you, your car's good to go. Any more installation questions for vehicle security, give us a call, 0330 010 0506. All makes and models covered. This one is a 2020 Ford Mustang Bullitt. Thanks for watching.